Sana nga, sana hindi na ulit mangyari na kailangan sumabay ako sa practice kasi sakit sa katawan eh. 2 days ako nakahiga sa kama. But again, I just have to give credit to my players. No? Katulad nga na sinabi ni Ian, sinasabi ko na sa kanila, they just have to believe. No? They just have to believe na we can battle with this strong teams, top teams, seasoned teams, no? Yun lang ang gusto naming makita, no? But again, a lot of things to still work on, no? Especially on the defensive end. Marami pa kaming lapses. Again, but for us, we really need this win. No? Napaka-importante nung panalo na to para sa amin. I hope ito yung inaantay namin na momentum kasi Big 3 yung kalaban namin eh. We play Rain or Shine and then back-to-back we play Ginebra. Diba? So medyo napaka-importante ng laro na to sa amin. And again, credit to my players. They responded really well. They practiced really hard the whole week. No? We watched the videos together. No? Kahit medyo boring. No? Naniwala sila and ginawa namin o ginawa nila kung ano yung kailangan namin gawin for this game.
And now we're ready to entertain questions for William.
Coach, yung ano lang masasabi mo sa support ng Locals kasi parang last game hindi masyadong marami yung contributions nila.
Yun yung actually, di ba, pa lang, if you remember, nung first game pa lang, sinabi ko na sa interview that we cannot rely on our import alone. I mean, I've been in this league for so many years, no? Iba na basketball ngayon, no? The locals should really produce also. I'm not saying, by points, no? Just the support of the locals. Napakalaking bagay sa import na yun, no? Napakalaking bagay sa import. So that the import don't have to score 50 points or 60 points just to win the game, no? Because of syempre magagaling din mag-scout na yung mga teams ngayon eh. Diba? So we really have to work together to help our import, no? Especially the locals. Challenge ko talaga yung mga locals, especially my vets, no? Na talagang they need our import needs our support. We cannot rely on our import alone. If I might say, I mean, as good as Justin Brownlee is, but I've been with him for so many years. The support of the locals talaga ang naging success nung run namin na yun. Yes, he's really good, but I was telling them, Justin is good because of the support of the locals also. So I hope magbigay aral sa amin yun, no? Sa mga locals namin, and sana, diba? This is the start of a good run for us. But again, we still have a lot of things to tackle, especially on our defense, no? We want to be a defensive team first.
Coach, kung gusto mo kayo sa side, babalikan naman.
Hindi. 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 Ano ko lang, gusto ko lang, syempre siguro malaking bagay din na makita nila kung ano yung gusto kong pagawa sa kanila. No, napaganda naman kahit papaano, no, na ang ganda ng respond ng mga players. Medyo masama lang sa akin kasi 2 araw ako nasa kama. So, sumakit yung katawan ko. But again, katulad ng sinabi ko, it was really a good response for my players, and it just showed that they're into parang laban kami dito.
Ian, congratulations. Yung nasabi ni Coach na talagang sina-challenge ko yung mga locals to step up at tulungan yung import. Isang puso yun na kailangan gawin.
Siyempre, very important sa amin yun na sa aming mga locals na yun nga sabi ni Coach, hindi kami pwedeng mag-rely sa import. Especially yung defense. So, kailangan talaga mag-start kami sa defensive mindset namin. Siguro yung offense namin, bonus na lang sa amin yun eh. So, yun yung magbibigay ng panalo talaga sa amin yung defense. Kung makikita nyo tonight kung paano kami maglaro ng defense, yun yung nagpanalo talaga sa amin.
Yung pinors of turnovers, especially in the fourth quarter, talagang nasa-extend mo na
Yun nga, we just need to play hard every time. Kahit magkaroon yung Meralco, hindi kami pwedeng bumibak. So, laging positive mindset lang kami sa loob ng court. Pinag-uusapan namin kung ano yung dapat namin gawin, kung ano yung mga pwede namin gawin. So, very on point kami tonight na gusto talaga namin manalo kasi medyo mahirap na talaga pag natalo kami today. Kaya, thankful ako na kaming lahat nagtulong-tulong para makuha yung panalo na ito.
Coach, how can you assess your import after 3 games?
Our import, so far, no? Well, syempre, kinuha namin siya. So, we believe in him. No? Hindi naman namin siya kukunin kung hindi kami naniniwala sa kanya na fit siya sa system namin, sa gusto namin gawin. No? So far, he's a young player. He's only 26, just turned 26. No? And I have a young team also. But slowly, ang maganda rin kasi sa kanya, he's learning also at the same time na yung buong team natututo dahil sa mga bata ko mga players. But he's been really working hard with the team. He listens to the locals. I think yun yung importante, very good attitude, no? Towards the game of basketball, and he accept yung mga mistakes, no? So I think yun yung importante, and for me, that's what we need in this team. No, he's not a leader per se, but by doing that, parang nililid niya rin yung team namin. No?